What happens when a tech stock that just crushed its earnings report suddenly tumbles 6%? And what if the CEO comes out swinging, claiming the drop isn't about business fundamentals, but about market manipulation? Today, we're diving deep into the drama surrounding Palantir, its colossal valuation, a legendary short seller, and why this whole situation could be a major warning sign for the entire AI industry. Stick around, because this story has all the elements of a Wall Street thriller. Let's break down the facts. Palantir just reported strong Q3 results. We're talking revenue up 63% year over year, hitting nearly $1.2 billion. By all accounts, that's a home run. The company beat expectations. Yet, despite this fantastic news, the stock plummeted, dropping between 6 to 10% in early trading. So, what gives? The why is where it gets interesting. The drop coincided with the disclosure that Michael Burry, the famous short seller from The Big Short, had taken a massive bearish position against the company. On top of that, analysts started ringing alarm bells about Palantir's sky-high valuation, which was trading at an eye-watering 230 to 250 times its forward earnings. Palantir's CEO, Alex Karp, didn't stay silent. He responded bluntly, calling the short bets egregious and crazy, essentially accusing short sellers of foul play. So let's talk about why this valuation is such a big deal. Palantir stock has been on an absolute tear over the last year. It's a company built on the hottest trends: artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and lucrative government contracts. The problem, when a stock skyrockets like this, its future growth is often priced for perfection. Any tiny misstep, any slight change in market sentiment, can trigger a massive sell-off. This is the exact environment where short sellers thrive. They look for these overinflated balloons and wait for the pin. So when Alex Karp talks about market manipulation, he's highlighting this dynamic: how a negative narrative, especially from a big name, can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, driving a stock down regardless of its actual performance. What does this mean for you, whether you're a long-term investor or a day trader? First, it's a harsh reminder that strong earnings are not an ironclad shield, especially when a company's valuation is stretched to its limits. Second, never underestimate the power of sentiment. A publicly disclosed short position from a legendary investor like Michael Burry can become a powerful magnet for negative attention, influencing countless other traders to follow suit. This could also be a sign that the broader tech and AI rally is starting to face some serious skepticism. Is this the market finally trying to separate the true innovators from the hype-driven pretenders? For pre-ROP traders, situations like this create fascinating opportunity zones, but they are also packed with risk. This is where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. Zooming out, this story is bigger than just Palantir. It's a case study in how modern markets treat high-growth stocks, how they punish any hint of complacency, and how quickly sentiment can flip, even when the underlying business appears solid. Many tech stocks, especially those in the AI space, have been riding a massive wave of optimism. But we all know that waves eventually break, and the tides of value can shift unexpectedly. As an investor or trader, you have to constantly ask yourself a crucial question: am I paying for proven performance, or am I just paying for a promise of future greatness? So, what's the final verdict on Palantir? Was this 6% drop just a momentary shakeout, a healthy correction for an overbought stock, or is it a warning bell, signaling potential trouble ahead for the entire AI boom? If you're holding Palantir, trading it, or just watching from the sidelines, what's your take? Are you taking profits, setting a tight stop-loss, or holding on with strong conviction? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoy these deep dives into the market forces shaping our world, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.